Map your breaker panel before you move so you know which circuits serve each room and major appliance. Start by turning off and then on each breaker one at a time, while a helper checks which outlets, lights, and appliances lose power, and record every finding directly onto a paper map that you will later transfer to a clean panel diagram. Test receptacles using a simple plug-in outlet tester or a lamp and verify lighting circuits from each switch. For hardwired appliances like ovens, heat pumps, or water heaters, shut down the breaker and confirm the unit is de-energized by seeing it go dark, or by using a non-contact voltage tester held near the wiring or terminals. Label each breaker with room names and appliance types using a permanent industrial-grade label or printed adhesive tape that resists fading. And write corresponding notes on the paper map about shared circuits, multiwire branch circuits, and any 2-pole breakers for large loads. Identify and mark any spare breakers and the location of subpanels so future users know where additional circuits can be added and where power originates. Photograph the full panel and each labeled circuit for digital backup, and store those images with your moving documents so they travel with the house information. Keep the paper map and a laminated copy inside the panel door for quick access, and save a cloud copy accessible to whoever will manage the property after you move. Homeowners commonly miss labeling shared circuits that feed multiple rooms, which then causes confusion when a breaker trip affects unrelated areas. Fix this by confirming every outlet and fixture on a circuit during your test, and note every location on your map. Another frequent issue is failing to recognize multi-wire branch circuits, which share a neutral and require simultaneous disconnection of the paired breakers. If you find tied or adjacent 2-pole breakers, mark them clearly and do not separate them when working on loads, and consider contacting an electrician to correct improper installations. People also forget to note subpanels or spare spaces, which leads to surprises when adding new loads. Walk the property to find any remote panel, label its main in the primary panel, and list spare breaker positions on your map so future changes are planned safely. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners document and share project details like breaker maps so new owners and contractors have the information they need. Our site connects homeowners and contractors and hosts a discussion community where people can ask questions, share tips, and find local professionals for follow-up work.